Now that we know how to calculate moles, we need to understand how balance equations use moles. A balance equation is like a chemical recipe. Let's look at this balance equation. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. The equation is 2H2 plus O2 to give 2H2O. The numbers in front of the formulas give the mole ratio. So H2, O2 and H2O are in the ratio 2:1:2. If there is no number in front, it means 1. This means 2 mole of H2 reacts with 1 mole of O2 to form 2 mole of H2O. So the balance equation tells us the reacting amounts in moles. Now we can scale the ratio. If 2 mole of H2 needs 1 mole of O2, then 4 mole of H2 needs 2 mole of O2. We are simply doubling the mole ratio. So the key idea is this. A balance equation is not just symbols. It is a mole recipe. The coefficients tell us the mole ratio, not the mass ratio.